Okay, so let's talk a little bit about my medical school journey while I do skincare. Yes po, nakapag-NMAT na po ako. Toner. Tinake ko siya nung 3rd year of my undergrad. 4 years yung course ko. So what does that mean? Oo, pwede kang mag-take na NMAT mo kahit hindi ka pa graduating student. Sa ngayon ewan ko lang ngayong upcoming years. Hindi ako nag-review center, hindi ako matalinong estudyante, very average lang ako, hindi ako nag-graduate with Latin honors, hindi ako galing sa big 4 universities. So, ayun, very, very much average. Despite this, I surprisingly got an okay score ng NMAT. Tapos, nakapasok naman ako sa school na gusto kong mapasukan. Sunblock. For those who don't know, in med school kasi, hindi siya parang college na merong entrance exams per school. Meron yata yung PLM, pero most schools wala. Meron lang isang standardized test sa lahat ng gustong mag-med school, which is called the NMAT, National Medical Admissions Test. Tapos, ayun. Tapos yung grading din nun, kakaiba. Yung grading nun, kunwari, ang score mo, 70 over 100. Kunwari lang, 70 over 100. Yung score mo, hindi 70. Gets mo yun? Yung score mo, hindi siya kung ano yung percentage ng questions you got right. Ang magiging score mo, kunwari, ang score mo is, again, 70. That means na you were higher than 70% of the students. So, it's called percentile ranking. So, yung result is hindi lang nakadepende sa score mo. Nakadepende din siya sa mga score ng nakasabay mo that time. Ayun. Nagbe-make sense ba ako? Sana sabihin niyo kung nagbe-make sense ako. Now, sa iba-ibang schools, merong required na NMAT score. For example, sa UST, kailangan 85, ganun. Sa ibang schools, kailangan 40. Ayun. Ayun na yata. Wala na ata ako sasabihin. Anyway, klase ko na sa August 1. I'll make an in-depth story time na lang siguro next time. Pero yun lang nangyari. Also, this is my lotion. Hey, Pretty Skin. Their body lotion. Very mabango.